Welcome back to Shy Ventra and our Linux Security Tool series. In the previous episode, we explored audit and learned how file integrity monitoring helps us identify unauthorized changes on a Linux system. audit is excellent at answering one important question: what changed? But during a real security investigation, that information alone is not enough. Security teams need to know who made the change, when it happened, which command was executed, and whether the activity was legitimate or suspicious. This is where audit becomes an essential security tool. The Linux Audit Framework, commonly known as audit, records security-relevant events occurring on a system. It provides a detailed audit trail that can help security teams investigate incidents, monitor privileged users, support compliance requirements, and improve overall system visibility. Think of audit as a security camera for your Linux server. Instead of recording video, it records important system activities and creates a searchable history of events. This allows administrators and security analysts to answer critical questions during investigations. Who modified a file? Who executed a command? Who attempted to access sensitive data? And when exactly did those actions occur? One of the reasons audit is so valuable is that it complements audit perfectly. Audit tells us that a file changed. Audit tells us who changed it. Together, they provide a much stronger security monitoring capability. Let's consider a simple example. Imagine audit reports that the host's file on a server was modified. Without additional information, we only know that the file changed. With audit enabled, we can determine the user responsible, the time of the change, and often the command that triggered the modification. This additional context can significantly reduce investigation time and help security teams respond more effectively. Audit is commonly used for monitoring critical system files, tracking privileged activity, detecting unauthorized changes, and maintaining forensic evidence during incident response. It is also widely used to support compliance requirements across standards such as ISO 27001, PCI DSS, NIST Cybersecurity Framework, SOC 2, and CIS controls. The basic workflow is straightforward. First, we define a monitoring rule. Next, audit records activity related to that rule. Finally, we use search and reporting commands to investigate the collected events. In today's demonstration, we'll create a monitoring rule for a critical file, generate activity on that file, and then use audit to identify exactly who performed the action. By the end of this video, you'll understand how audit helps answer one of the most important questions in cybersecurity investigations. Who changed it? Let's jump into the terminal and see audit in action. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed. Please subscribe to our channel for new videos.